Hi, in this video, we will solve this question, which is on Strata Scratch and a medium level. It was asking about given a list of projects and the employee mapped to each project, calculate the amount of project budget allocate to each employee. The output should include the project title and project title. So in output, I have to show project title, project budget, rounded. It means I will use round here to the closest integer, order by list by project with the highest budget per employee. It means I have to show highest budget per employee. So I will divide budget with employee first. So let's see, and I will use after that order by, and it was asking about highest one, so I will use descending. So this is very simple kind of question. Uh, there are, I can say, two table. First is MS project and second is MS employee project. So I will get the output from here, title, budget from here, and employee ID from here. So let's solve this question. Here is the crucial thing. I have to join on the basis of ID, and if you can see here, so employee ID is very different, but project ID is similar. So I will do join on the basis of project ID and ID.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
So let's solve this question. Select. First of all, I will select. It was asked question. First of all, question was asking about title. So I will copy paste it. Title, comma. It was asking about now. Question was asking about budget per employee. So I will do budget. Budget. Also in question, it was asking about budget rounded to the near closest integer. So I have to do rounded here. So round, and also I have to use count here because every employee ID is different. So I will use count to count each and employee to that particular budget. Okay, count of employee ID. Now I will give him an alias as BT MS projects join MS projects MS employee projects. So I will give him alias as A, and for this B. Now I'm joining. Now I'm using so now I will type on which basis I already mentioned ID and employee ID. So ID, sorry, A dot employee ID equal to B dot project ID B dot project ID. Okay. Now I have to use group by because I use one aggregated function. So group by I can say title, group by title, and order by I will do, because in the question it was asking about do order by projects on the highest budget per employee first. So I will do budget. So I will do order by on BT, and let's run this code. So in output I got the project title and their corresponding budget per employee, and this is the real output. And I can't check it because I don't have any premium subscription, but this is the real output. Thank you so much for watching this video.
फटाफट बेच टाइम पास मत कर.